Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, 2024. Let's find out what is going on Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto, new layout. Let's just dig in what's going on here. Daily time frame chart where every candle is a new completely new day. Yesterday we got this candle to the upside with new all-time high apparently on the Bitcoin market, 106,945, and today, as you can see, we are keep moving higher. So possibly we will make another higher high even today, or maybe tomorrow. It looks like this market is relentless and it keeps moving higher, up and up and up. So $100,000 roughly around, let me just mark it here, roughly around here, wasn't actually enough for the bulls. This market has been tested 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times. It is now well established psychological and technical support, so we are ready to move higher. The next obvious target for the Bitcoin is $110,000. Now, despite the fact that we are moving higher, there is something I would like to point out straight on this market. If we try to apply the RSI, as you can see, is extremely overbought, and now the market keeps doing this higher highs. Let me just mark it for you so you know what I mean. Actually, the market keeps doing higher highs, higher lows, so keeps trending higher. Nevertheless, the momentum here from the extremely overbought conditions at daily time frame chart at the level of 84 points keeps making lower highs, which means despite the fact that market keeps moving higher, this momentum is decreasing. So the new higher highs are being made on lower momentum, which means obviously that there is a bearish divergence between the higher highs and the new highs that market is doing and the momentum here. So right now it's not quite obvious, but we might be getting into the point where this market will make a nice pullback, nice correction, and the momentum will drop towards the level of let's say 50 or somewhere there, or maybe even lower. The point is that as long as we're trending to the upside, the market remains on elevated levels, both on elevated price levels and elevated momentum levels. However, right now this is the market that is making all of these higher highs using the lower momentum here, so it's begging basically for the at least nice pullback or a correction. So please be aware of this situation. It's not only visible on a daily time frame chart, but it's only visible but it's as well visible on the weekly time frame chart. So on the weekly, as you can see, that's a massive bearish divergence. Well, it's obvious right now for everyone what I'm trying to point out on this chart. We got very nice movement to the upside, very nice uptrend, no problem with this. However, from the technical point of view, this is the situation where the market is diverging from the momentum, despite the fact that we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks, 8 up weeks, right? All the green candles here. So statistically, that's another thing. Statistically, this is highly improbable, and we need to recalculate when the last time we got 8 weekly candles, which are up candles, the green candles on the Bitcoin. I guess it was back in the days, maybe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, eventually 6. There is no 8 weekly candles. 1, 2, 3, break 1, 2, 3. So that's another thing, right? So very interesting situation that is statistically quite interesting and suspicious as well. And on the weekly time frame chart, momentum is again strong, but it's on the elevated levels, extremely overbought conditions right now on the higher time frames, and we got this very big movement to the upside. I wish I got the monthly time frame chart. We could see this third, almost 3 months in a row being the up months, right? So the green months as well. Anyway, the point is, please be careful. Despite the fact that the momentum, that the Bitcoin is going up, the momentum is strong, but it's diverging from the price, and the market might do some sort of the, let's say, correction or pullback anytime soon. It looks like, however, the end of the month and end of the year will be quite strong on the cryptocurrency market, especially on the Bitcoin. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.